Chuck Lipinski with LPS Equipment and Acquisition here today to introduce the 5159 American Automated Pallet Assembly one-man automated system. I'm going to demonstrate the system to you. Fully automated touch-tone screen, auto manual, set your perimeters, can hold up to 1,000 recipes for auto setup. You can operate in automatic or manual mode. Go ahead and start the system. Place the deck boards in the jig system. Push the start button. And place your top deck boards. Pushing the button for the auto clamp system. Push the start button. Lowering the pallet into the automatic pallet stacker.